In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the memo line to print on checks in QuickBooks Online. This powerful tool is essential for businesses to maintain clear, detailed records of their financial transactions, and by printing the memo line, you ensure that all necessary information is available at a glance. Let's dive right into the process, which is simple and straightforward, requiring just a few steps to complete. First, open your internet browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, find and click on the Sign In button. If you're a regular user, this will be a familiar step. Ensure that your credentials are handy as you'll need them to proceed further. When prompted, choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is key because it directs you to the specific QuickBooks environment tailored for online use. Next, enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit Continue to log in. It's crucial to make sure that your login information is correct to avoid any delays. In case you have forgotten your credentials, QuickBooks offers a straightforward way to recover them. So look for those options on the same page if needed. Now that you're logged into the QuickBooks Online dashboard, locate the New button. This is typically found near the top left corner of your homepage. Click on it. This button displays a variety of options to explore, but for our purposes we will be focusing on something specific today, entering a credit memo, which is an integral part of managing your financial records accurately. Proceed by clicking on Credit Memo from the list of options that appears. This will lead you to a new page where you can input the necessary details required for the memo. The first thing you'll need to do here is add the customer information. Begin typing the customer's name, and if they're already in your system, it should auto-complete. Otherwise, you can manually enter their details. Following the customer input, the next field you'll need to complete is adding the product or service. Input the product or service that this transaction is related to and make sure it aligns correctly with your records. Next, enter the amount. This figure should reflect the exact monetary value tied to the transaction, so double check for accuracy. Finally, once satisfied with all the entries, locate the Save and Send feature. Clicking this ensures that the credit memo is accurately saved in your QuickBooks system, and it can also send a notification to the concerned parties if linked to your communication channels. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively ensured that your memo line can now be printed on checks in QuickBooks Online, streamlining your financial processes and helping keep all your transactions clearly documented. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to guiding you through more QuickBooks functionalities in future videos.